Here we come to the elevator, the South Wing elevator at the Aerospace and Mechanical Engineering building in Tucson, Arizona. I am with Jade today, and we're gonna ride the elevator down. Let's get our cab view. I don't think I filmed this elevator before, but I filmed the main elevators here. We're going on to one. Flashing indicator. Arrow. Glitchy indicator. Capacity 2,500 pounds. ADA compliant phone. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Watch the indicator again. I just noticed that now. This has a scrolling indicator. Let's go up to... Yeah, this is the basement. Let's go up. Door closes when you push the button. We're gonna go up to 4.
What are these for?
I don't know. I think they're hooks.
Decoration?
And I think we're not stopping. And we'll just end it up here because there's people downstairs. Anyways, here it goes. And that's gonna be it.